Alright, so this is our vocabulary for this week, vocabulary 4.1. We're going to start a new topic, and the topic is called waves. So the first vocabulary word for this week is wave. Wave is a vibration. When material moves back and forth and travels or moves through space or material. When that vibration moves through a space or material. Electromagnetic wave is a light wave, and light waves can travel through empty space and through most mediums. Hey, love bug. Sound wave. Sound wave is a mechanical wave. A mechanical wave is a type of wave, and sound waves can only travel through air, through aire. They cannot travel through space. They cannot travel through a vacuum. A mechanical wave is a type of wave. It needs a material to travel through. So a mechanical wave cannot travel through space. It has to travel through water, through a solid, through a liquid, or through a gas, through air. Mechanical waves. The peak or crest is the top of the wave, the very top, the maximum part of the wave. A medium is a material. It is a material that a wave travels through. It can be air, water, a liquid, a gas, a solid. That's a medium. It's a material. Amplitude. Amplitude is how tall a wave is. From the center of the wave to the tallest part, that is the amplitude. And we measure it using the units of distance, meter, centimeter, for mechanical waves. Frequency. Frequency is how many waves pass per unit of time, and is measured in hertz. And so frequency can be low. That means we do not have a lot of waves passing per unit time, or high. High frequency, large frequency means we have a lot of waves passing over time. Wavelength is the length of just one wave, and it is measured from peak to peak. And we measure this as a distance in meters or centimeters, but a distance. Trough is the bottom or the lowest part of the wave. Wave velocity is how fast. It's the speed and direction of a wave. Simple harmonic motion is anything that goes back and forth over and over and over again through time. Vacuum is empty space, so there's no air, there's no molecules, there's no particles. So if you move far enough away from Earth, there's no air, there's no gases, there's no molecules. You just have empty space or a vacuum. Reflection is when a wave hits the surface and bounces off. And period is how long it takes for one wave to pass or to complete one cycle. A period is time, and we measure time in seconds, minutes, or hours. Okay, so for this week, I want you now to complete the vocabulary dictionary. And here, the way we're going to do this is I want you to use sentence frames. Like, I know that blank means and blank, and tell me. So, for example, I know that this word is amplitude. And amplitude means how tall or big a wave is. That's my definition. Okay? You can also say blank means blank. So I can say trough. Trough means the bottom or lowest part of a wave. Okay? So these are your definitions. You're going to write these in for each word. And for each word, you're also going to include the vocabulary word here and the translation below it. The translation goes below it. Okay?